Hello everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. I'm up there and today I have another recipe for you. It's easy, it's healthy and delicious. After sport you need something to eat but should be delicious. So let's do together. Incredible recipe. So as I said, healthy recipe after sport. I will use before my sweet potatoes. Look, I will prepare them before because it takes a little bit time. Sweet potatoes come in a variety of shapes and sizes. When you are making baked sweet potatoes, it's better to grab some that are about the same size because you won't have some that are undercooked or overcooked. To get started baking your sweet potatoes, give them a good scrub, wash them under the faucet, and gently scrub all the nooks until it's clean. Then place it on paper and blot it dry. Add the sweet potatoes to your baking sheet and give them about 3 to 4 pokes. At 200 degrees Celsius, the sweet potatoes will bake in about 60 minutes. Prepare turkey with citrus and herbs. So I will need first of all in a hot pan a little bit of olive oil. Then we'll add turkey, a slice of turkey breast. Okay. I will add 3 chopped garlic, so I need red and yellow paprika. So as you see, cut them like that. Add salt, pepper, and some curcuma. Now rosemary, thymian. I will add citrus juice, I need 1 citrus for this recipe. To have balance, I will add my orange juice to make this balance. Oh, incredible! The smell here, wow! So like chili, it's optional. If you like it, you can add it here, and that will give a beautiful taste. Wow, the smell here. You see something healthy and delicious at the same time. Add some lemon zest. Yeah. Now we'll add a bit parsley and coriander. If you don't like coriander taste, if it's strong for you, you just add parsley. As you see, for recipe done. Now I add a little bit dry thyme. Like that. With this incredible smell here, wow. It's really healthy recipe. Also instead of sweet potato, you can have some basmati rice, as you like. You choose. But if you sweet potato, you can have also normal potato. And this one, and it's ready. We'll put some rosemary decoration and help yourself. Here is our recipe for today. It's healthy and easy to do it. You will like it. Try it at home and give me feedback. And if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.